How to perform maintenance on your own water heater. These same methods apply to natural draft, power vent, and power direct vent units. Start by turning off the power. If natural draft, turn the thermostat down and gas off. Then if applicable, remove the screws from the burner door. I have done this video at times too, so you can watch it more efficiently, but take your time and get it right. Remove any cables and plugs that may get in your way and get damaged. Then unscrew the pilot tube and main gas line. The burner will slide out. If it's not been removed for a while or ever, it might need a little persuading, but they are not fastened in there, so it should come out. This burner is hot, so I will show you how to test the flammable vapor sensor while it cools. This safety sensor will prevent the unit from running if it senses flammable vapors. If it is triggered, you will have to replace it. It cannot be reset. Turn your multimeter to ohms. If it shows that it is open, you'll have to get a new one. This one is still good, as you can see. Now to clean the flame sensor on the burner. Get some 600 grit sandpaper, nothing more aggressive. Clean the flame sensor gentle. Give the whole burner a little clean off with compressed air or a shop vac, anything really, just to move debris. Take a look inside so you can see what you are trying to line the burner up with. If you're getting value from this video, all I ask is a like and or subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Now time to put everything back. Snug up the gas line, pilot tubing and the wire harnesses we removed. Replace the burner door, ensuring not to pinch the wires. Some of the new pilot tubing like this one are very small in diameter and can be broken easily without care given to them, so be careful. A very important part of this process is going to be confirming you do not have a gas leak. We can do this simply by making a bubble solution with water and dish soap. I want you to soap any gas line you have worked on when there is gas going through it. For what we just did, there will only be gas present when the burner is on, so do this when the water heater is working. I am going to create a gas leak here so you can see an example of what you are looking for. And here is where you would be soaping. Use a small paintbrush will work, or anything to cover the fittings with the solution. Flushing the sediment from the bottom of the water heater is also an important part of the process. Hook up a hose and drain for a few seconds to clear the drain and bottom of the tank of debris. Let's change a nipple-style anode rod. First, turn the water off to the water heater. These same methods apply to a plug-style anode rod too. We will talk more at the end of the video about the plug style. Drain a small amount of water. Remove the water line from the water heater. If you have copper lines, then you need to either cut the pipe or loosen the union. If you have copper lines and need to solder them back together, check out our other videos showing you how to solder like a pro. Remove the nipple-style anode rod. This tank has water lines running over top in our way. This is because it supplies heat to an in-floor warming manifold. As we can see, while this rod is not completely eaten away, it is at a point where we can change it for a new one. All the heavy minerals are attached to this rod like barnacles to a boat. That's good, it's doing its job. The very end of the rod is completely eaten away. When installing the new rod, wrap a couple turns of Teflon tape to help seal the threads. Look how much different the rods are. Snug the new nipple into the water heater. Tighten the hot water line back onto the top of the nipple. If you got value from my video, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked and/or subscribe. If there is anything in particular you would like help with, please comment or reach out to the email address in my bio. Come get out all the other how-to videos to help you fix and maintenance your HVAC and plumbing in your home. Once you're all done, turn your water back on and check for leaks.